Dear students, welcome to digital learning platform of Department of Collegiate Education. In the last session, we have discussed the concept of installment buying. So in this session, we shall continue with the same topic and we shall solve one more problem on the application of installment buying. So the prerequisites of the session are the formulas used in the installment buying transaction. So for finding out simple interest, we need to prepare the table. In table, we have to first take cash price of the article. From this, deduct cash down payment or initial deposit. Balance will be balance payable, and balance payable is compared with the total amount of installments. Total amount of installment means installment amount represented by I into number of installments n. So when you compare balance payable with the amount of installment, the difference is the simple interest payable by buyer to the seller. So for finding out rate of simple interest, we need to use the formula of simple interest equals P into N into R divided by 12 into 100, where P is the balance payable, N is the equated period in months, R is the rate of interest per annum, and SI is the simple interest. Here N, capital N, equated period in months equals N plus 1 divided by 2. Small n is the number of monthly installments, and capital N is the equated period of n monthly installments. So equated period equals small n plus 1 divided by 2. So let us understand this concept with one more example. So the question is, the cash price of a computer is rupees 25,000. Mr. Sachin purchases it on following conditions: rupees 5,000 cash down payment at the time of purchase, and balance in 10 monthly installments of rupees 2,500 each. Find the rate of interest paid by Mr. Sachin. So here the cash price of the computer is rupees 25,000, but instead of buying by making the full payment, Mr. Sachin intends it to purchase on installment basis, and he agrees to pay down payment of rupees 5,000 on the date of purchase and balance in 10 monthly installments of rupees 2,500. So cash price of computer is 25,000, down payment is 5,000, balance payable will be 20,000. If you compare this balance payable 20,000 with the total amount of installments, 10 monthly installments of rupees 2,500 each, so 10 into 2,500 is 25,000. The difference between the total amount of installment and balance payable 20,000 is the simple interest payable by Sachin. So simple interest is 5,000 and balance payable P is 20,000. Here if you take equated period equals n plus 1 divided by 2. Small n means number of monthly installments, which is 10 plus 1 11 divided by 2. So equated period of monthly installments is the 5.5 months. Now putting values into the formula, simple interest equals P into N into R divided by 12 into 100. Simple interest is rupees 5,000 equals 20,000 into 5.5 equated period into R divided by 12 into 100. So 20,000 into 5.5 is 1,10,000 into R as it is. 12 into 100 is 1200. Now if you take values from right hand side to left hand side, the multiplication sign will be replaced by division sign, and division sign will be replaced by multiplication sign. So divided by 1200 will become into 1200, and 1,10,000 into R, 1,10,000 will become division 1,10,000. So 5,000 into 1200 divided by 1,10,000. 5,000 into 1200 is 60 lakh divided by 1,10,000. The rate of interest is 54.55%. So the rate of interest charged in the installment purchase and payable by Mr. Sachin is 54.55%. This is the reference I have used for making this presentation. Thank you.